Today we're taking a look at Harbor Freight's 20 great deals, over 20% off while supplies last, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, Harbor Freight knows it's a holiday season and they're at it again with over 20% off on some good looking deals here. So what we're going to do is click into this and see what's going on. Now the first thing we're going to look at here is a Pittsburgh Automotive plastic fastener kit, 240 piece, $12.99, 27% off. Not a bad deal. If you work on cars, you know, wheel wells, and then you got the area over the radiator. A lot of those has these clips and they break. It would be nice to have these on hand. Next up, we got Bauer 28 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander, $19.99, 50% off. Not a bad deal at all. Compared to Craftsman, 71% off. Look at that date right there, 12/1/25, and there is a limit of 3. Next thing we're going to look at over here, we're going to actually skip these because I think these socket organizers suck, so we're going to skip those. Next up, we got Viking 4 amp fully automatic microprocessor control battery charger maintainer. Great for the winter time. We're looking at $29.99, 25% off. Not a bad deal. Looks like they're comparing this to Duracell, save 50%. Next up, we got some Hallmaster 1,000 pound capacity, 1.5 inch by 10 foot ratcheting tie down straps, a 4-pack, $17.99, and it looks like 35% off. Not a bad deal on that. Up next, I've seen quite a few people talk about this and it seems like people really like it. Leave a comment down below if you like it. Pittsburgh adjustable shop stool with backrest, $59.99, 20% off, and you got it available in these 4 colors. Next up, we've got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, gotta love that. Flex head ratcheting combination wrench set, 5-piece for $21.99. Says your choice, so that's going to be standard or metric. That is very nice. Compared to Cobalt, saves 75%. Next up, we got a Central Pneumatic 20 ounce HVLP gravity fed air spray gun with regulator for $19.99, 30% off. Not a bad deal on that if you're into spraying paint. Next up, we got the Warrior 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch number 1 titanium step bit, 13 steps, number 2 titanium step drill bit, 6 steps, and a number 3 titanium step drill bit, 9 steps for $8.99, 35% off. Not a bad deal on that. Now the next thing we got over here is something I've actually picked up lately and really like these. These are the Quinn Premium Screwdriver Set, 15 piece, $21.99, save 21% off. That is not a bad deal at all. For a really good amount of screwdrivers in this kit, it is well worth that. Next we got the Pittsburgh Z Creeper 2-in-1 mechanic seat and creeper, $39.99, and that's 20% off on that one. Next up, we got the Voyager 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99, 37% off. Not a bad deal on that. Vulcan Defender Professional MIG welding gloves, available in large and extra large, $18.99, looking at 20% off on that. Now we got some Braun lighting. Braun has some really good lighting coming out, and they've had some good lighting. I've got a couple of their products and I really enjoy them. What we have here is the 900 lumen rechargeable swivel head LED flashlight, $19.99, 20% off. And then we got an Icon. Gotta love it when Icon has a deal going on because that's the best time to snag them. We got the Icon Professional Impact Socket Adapter Set, 4-piece, $19.99, 39% off. Sorry about that. Now this one you got to watch. This one ends on 11/26/25. They're comparing that to Snap-on, save $166. Plus, if you break it, lifetime replacement. Take it back to Harbor Freight, exchange it. Snap-on, wait a week for the next truck. That's why you gotta love Harbor Freight. Now we got a decent price on a rotary tool here. We got the Chicago Electric 1.3 amp variable speed rotary toolkit with 31 pieces. That's nice right there for $14.99, 34% off. I don't know about you guys, but I use my rotary tool a lot. That's not a bad deal at all on that. Next up here, we got another icon. We got a 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic 77-inch extendable underhood floodlight. $69.99. 22% off. Not a bad deal if you work on cars. You always need lights under the hood to see. Got another Pittsburgh with a lifetime replacement right here. Gotta love those lifetime warranties. Tool set, 60 piece, $19.99. 20% off. Not a bad deal at all. This would be a handy little kit to have right here. Then we got another good one here. We got $20 off of a Bauer 20 volt cordless 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, tool only. I am invested in the Bauer 20 volt cordless stuff, so that wouldn't be a bad deal at all if I was looking at getting one. We're looking at $79.99. And there you go. There's 20 great deals from Harbor Freight that are going on right now. Now let's go through my picks here. And probably my least favorite pick, but I would pick it, would be the 20 volt cordless Bauer here, the crown stapler. I would go for this Pittsburgh tool set also. This wouldn't be a bad thing to have. Of course, you guys know if you follow my channel, I do automotive work on the side, and this would be great for underneath the hood, this Icon LED floodlight. And then, like I said, we go with the rotary tool. That is a great price on a rotary tool. I use those all the time. And then up here, what I would go for would be the Icon Impact Socket Adapter Set. That would be a good pickup right there, mostly at that 39% off. And then we're going to move up to this one. And of course, like I said, the premium screwdriver set here from Quinn. Got a lifetime warranty on those, and it's a nice complete set. That would be another pick of mine. And then I would go in this one. I would probably have to go for the adjustable shop stool with the backrest on here. A lot of people seem to like this. Personally, I don't have it. Maybe one day I'll have to pick it up and try it out, but I would go with that. And then, of course, the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty flex head ratcheting wrenches here. Only $22, and if they break, you could take them back and swap them out. That is a great one right there. And then in this top list here, like I said, I would avoid... I'm going to put in a void here, these peg style socket trays. I think they suck. And of course, 50% off of this sander. That is a good deal. And since I'm into automotive, I would go for the plastic fastener kit also. So there you go. There is my picks for the 20 great gift ideas going on right now at Harbor Freight. I always like doing these deals at Harbor Freight and telling you guys about them because this time of year they got some great deals going on. Some of these are a repeat, and you do have to look at the expiration on them because they are varied on this one, so make sure you watch that. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I'll have some affiliate links that do help out the channel. That helps me buy tools to do videos with. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God. And I'll see you all on the next one.